Buena gente, acá tenemos un nuevo video. Hoy están todos con el tema furor de PlayStation, de Sony y los juegos que va a sacar para la consola, esta nueva consola que ya ha mostrado fotos y ha mostrado cómo es. Y bueno, y acá les dejo el video del E3, más que nada del momento donde mostraron el Assassin's Creed para adelante, que estuvo muy bueno. Y bueno, y no pude grabar cuando mostraron el Kingdom Hearts y el Final Fantasy, pero bueno. Acá les dejo. Si les copa, si les gusta, denle like. Voy a seguir subiendo videos del E3 y bueno. Hasta la próxima.
That flushed him out. I'll catch you up, Thatch.
There's no drinking after death, lads.
I'll come back for your coin later.
Hello, lads. Lieutenant, you out here?
Jenkins, what's the news?
It's damn near a riot out there. And I reckon Kenway suspects something. He don't miss much.
What was that?
You certainly didn't bring some of those sand rats in tow, Jenkins. Look sharp. Stevens, make certain there's no surprises. Secure the other side, and watch the path.
Aye, nothing here. Oh, why is it always me setting into the muck?
Stay here. Shoot anything that moves. Yes, sir. Come on. It's time. Tell me about the beach.
A fair gathering, sir. Too drunk to stand.
That will suit our purpose.
Well, for a moment I die then. Bloody savages.
Have no fear, soldier. This will be the end of it. What about our man?
They've been pressing him hard all night. But he's not broken yet.
Good. Quickly, send the signal.
Get him! What the devil?
Save the day, lads! Today we send the king's finest to their graves! Stations, lads! All hands on deck! Raise the black flag, lads! Let them see it! Sure trick of the hell, Kenway! Royal part Load the cannons, you scrubs! Look out! She's up to us! Let loose the barrel! He's a big bastard! Load the heavy shot, lads! Aim at their waist! Bring that beastie down! outnumbered, mate. It's not the first time, Kenway. And it won't be the last. Take no quarter, lads!
Wait, okay. Hello, everyone. I'm Jonathan Morin, the creative director on Watch Dogs. There are countless ways to define next gen. For us, it has to be about new game dynamics. Over the last 4 years, we challenged ourselves to deliver something new. So we created an entire city that you can hack at will. Everything that is connected can become your weapon against your enemies, or can be used to help your friends. In Watch Dogs, you are Aiden Pierce, a modern vigilante whose most powerful weapon is a smartphone. In today's demo, Aiden must save a friend called T-Bone. He broke into an apartment to steal important information, but he tripped an alarm, and fixers are coming his way to kill him. We join Aiden as Chicago PD are closing on him. He's going to have to lose them if he ever hoped to be able to save his friend. So now please welcome on stage Pierre-Yves Savard, who's going to perform for you tonight. And let's see, since in Watch Dogs you can play any way you want, how he will choose to approach the situation. Enjoy the show, and thank you very much.
T-Bone. I don't want to. No sign of suspect. We'll have another look. Squad, we need a total lockdown.
Squad to all units, we have additional officers moving to intercept.
Covering our sector. We'll find this punk. Yeah, squad. Suspect's gone. Let's get an APV circulated. No, sir.
A citywide manhunt is underway for the suspected vigilante Aiden Pierce. Engaged in several bold interventions, Pierce has divided the city, with locals praising his
911,
actions.
state your emergency, please.
Hey, I'm free. Kill it now.
Hello, I need you to stay on the line.
Hey, why are you doing this?
T-bone.
Get this, brother? That prototype shit I ain't never seen. I'm in love.
T-bone, wrap it up.
They sound cranky.
Forget the toys. We gotta get you out.
Shit. Sorry, princess.
Hey! Over there.
Okay, move.
Someone's gotta be doing that.
I'm on my way.
Hey, listen up. They're turning the place over looking for me.
Tell me you guys see him. I'm on it. Grab some men. We can't let this guy get away. Hey, call the fellas in. Tell them to hurry.
Son of a bitch. I'm stuck.
Don't move until I say.
10-4, brother.
Go, stay low.
Go.
Now, go, go. You find what we need in there?
Yeah. Default didn't expect us to find this romper room. I got what I needed to track him. Don't you worry. We're getting closer to your sister.
Now, go.
Yeah, moving.
Let's go.
Jesus. I could really do with a shot of rope.
Hey, there he is!
All right, you're good. Go.
I owe you, Aiden.
All units, this is Squad. We have a possible sighting on Aiden Pierce.
Control system is scrambled. We're boarding. Damn it! Patrol down!
Freeze! Hold up! Don't have a chance! Suspect is in custody.
Squad to all units, we have additional officers moving to intercept. Positive confirmation on the suspect as Aiden Pierce.
Good luck to you now.
When Watch Dogs launches, I'm happy to announce that PlayStation owners will receive an additional hour of exclusive gameplay and a special outfit for Aiden Pierce. And Chicago looked pretty great in that last bit with Watch Dogs. And from Chicago all the way back here to LA, from the Bulls to the Lakers, it's not just technology that connects us. Everyone has grown up with a passion for their favorite sports team, and that passion comes from a real place. The pride of donning your team's first jersey, the cheers in the stadium ricocheting off the walls, that broken heart feeling after that overtime loss. Sorry, Kings fans. These are the authentic moments that connect us. That authenticity bleeds into our games, and never before have we had such a powerful platform to express these sports experiences. With that, let's look at what's truly possible on PS4, all running an engine.
When they told me they had a surprise set up, I didn't think it was going to be like this. I know, right? It's video game James in the flesh. Kinda. I can see the guys at 2K, they ain't messing around on these next-gen graphics. Man, you look sick. Not bad, huh? Soak it in, Playboy. They nailed every single detail. I'm you, but digital. Now, you may be an exact replica. Can you ball like me? Can I ball? That's funny. Somebody wrote a clip.
Time changes, new faces, old best friends, new strangers, new watch just to keep up with the paces, new game plan off the new places. I got a feeling I could win this race. We've yeah, the long run, the long run, we've only just begun.
The game against Spurs tomorrow night. Am I right? When I think of this next publisher, I think about the massive impact that their games have had in our gaming culture. I have to admit, I spent over 200 hours slaying dragons, picking locks, and collecting cheese wheels. Now, for the first time in the history of this series, in addition to adventuring alone, you can experience the mythology of this world alongside all of your friends. Tonight, we're thrilled to announce our new partnership with Bethesda Softworks and the next epic chapter in their legendary saga.
A new dawn is upon us. Never have our choices weighed more heavily. To stand alone, or to fight side by side. Against the encroaching forces of oblivion. We are excited to announce that The Elder Scrolls Online will have a beta that will be exclusively available first on PlayStation 4. When we first saw this next universe being created, we couldn't wait to see it come to life on PlayStation. This team brings you one of the most influential fictional worlds that's ever been created. We're extremely proud to be able to share this world premiere with our PlayStation fans first. Mad Max has influenced the world of entertainment from movies to games. And it's been amazing to watch Warner Brothers Interactive Entertainment and Avalanche Studios bring this vision to life. As a special treat for PlayStation gamers, you have access to the exclusive Road Warrior Survival Kit only on PlayStation. And with that, please welcome back Jack Trenton.
I don't know if that's all he's got. I'm a little worried, but not so bad for a start. Thanks, Adam. It's clear that all of the best development studios in the world are creating amazing games for PlayStation 4. Games such as Call of Duty Ghosts, FIFA, and Madden. Globally, there are more than 140 games in development for PS4 across our own worldwide studios and our third-party partners, including over 100 that will be available within the first year. Nearly 40 of these titles feature experiences that are exclusive to PlayStation. In addition to creating an amazing library of new titles on PlayStation 4, we're equally focused on delivering what gamers want most, without imposing restrictions or devaluing their PS4 purchases. For instance, PlayStation 4 won't impose any new restrictions on the use of PS4 gamers. Guess that's a good thing. We believe in the model that people embrace today with PlayStation 3 and continue to demand. Just heard you there. When a gamer buys a PS4 disc, they have the rights to use that copy of the game. They can trade in the game at retail, sell it to another person, lend it to a friend, or keep it forever. In addition, PlayStation 4 disc-based games don't need to be connected online to play. Or for any type of authentication. If you enjoy playing single-player games offline, PS4 won't require you to check in online periodically. And it won't stop working if you haven't authenticated within 24 hours. Of course, the experience on PSN will be amazing. Our goal for PlayStation Network on PS4 is clear. Build the best gaming network in the world. A network that is tuned to your preferences, is immediate and intuitive, and delivers a breadth of entertainment offerings that is unmatched in the industry. In New York, we announced several new PSN capabilities that will be available day one on the PlayStation 4, such as the ability to play games that are being downloaded in the background, cross-game voice chat, to transition to a friends network based on real-world friends to provide a more meaningful social gaming experience, and the new share button to immediately upload live stream via Ustream. PlayStation Network also offers incredible value to our customers through PlayStation Plus, and we're very focused on expanding the benefits of the service. Thank you. We've received lots of questions from our community over the last several months about whether the existing PlayStation Plus memberships will apply to PS4. I'm pleased to confirm that your PS Plus membership will carry over to PlayStation 4. So members will have access to all the benefits across PS3, Vita, and now PlayStation 4 for one price. In short, if you're a Plus member today or become one tomorrow, you're already set for PlayStation 4. For less than $5 a month, members will get discounted games, cloud saves, automatic game updates, early access to beta programs, an instant game collection, as well as the ability to fully immerse themselves in the incredible PS4 games with online multiplayer. And PS4 gamers that aren't PS Plus members will be able to enjoy the single-player games for free, and access to all of your media services won't require Plus. We've added Instant Game Collection to Plus last year, and it's been an incredible success. Plus membership has increased by more than 144%, as member satisfaction is currently at 95%. I'm happy to announce that when PS4 launches, the PlayStation Plus members will get immediate free access to Drive Club PS Plus Edition as part of the Instant Gamers Collection. Drive Club PS Plus Edition is a huge AAA title that combines incredible fidelity and driving mechanics with innovative social integration. It's the perfect game for the Instant Game Collection because the social capabilities foster vibrant communities, and these experiences will now be shared with your closest friends who are Plus members. In addition to Drive Club PS Plus Edition, Plus members will get a new title every month for free, including Don't Starve, Outlast, and The Secret Ponchos, 3 incredible titles that you just saw during the first year of PS4. As you heard us say tonight, PlayStation is all about games. Tonight, we've seen some exceptional examples from our worldwide studios teams and from partners around the world. However, we've saved something special for you. From the visionary partnership between Bungie, one of the best developers in the industry, and Activision, the company that built Call of Duty not just into the biggest game, but one of the biggest entertainment franchises in the world. It comes from an epic game best experience on PlayStation. These are 2 partners that haven't just made great games, they've each revolutionized first-person shooters over the last decade. I'm very proud to introduce the world gameplay premiere of Destiny.
Old Russia. And I'm going to meet up with some of my friends, and together we're going to explore the wild frontier beyond that wall. Hey, Jason Jones. How's it going?
So what are we doing, Joe?
Well, you and me, we're going to play through that wall. Unfortunately, looks like we got a man down. But we're going to keep on going. So you and me, we're going to go that way. Why don't you take point? How are we looking?
Looks clear.
Okay, I'm going to go first. It's getting a little dark. I'm going to take out my ghost.
We always visit such cheerful places. Hang tight, I'll find some sticks to rub together. And by sticks, I mean highly complex circuits that I am fully equipped to repair and provide otherwise. May have overdone it. We've got trouble. Coming back to you.
To your right.
Yep. Yeah, I got him. Hey, we got more guys down low. Yes. All right, let's mop them up. No, Jones! Hang tight. Don't go anywhere. Yes, we did it. Well, mainly I did it.
We're not going to talk about that.
All right, let's grab our loot. That looks good. The Thunderlord.
Oh, Thunderlord.
Exotic. Heavy machine gun. Nice.
The top talent's my favorite, but you'll probably never get there.
Oh, yeah? What's up top? That's gonna be pretty sweet. All right, let's see how she looks. Yep. That's big and blue and covered with lightning. Plug your ears.
Oh, that's good.
What'd you get?
Check this out. I knew you'd be jealous. Hey, we made it through the wall.
Cool. Nice work, partner.
And it's Darla.
Hey guys.
Hey, there she is.
Looks like you guys could use a Titan.
Absolutely.
So what are we doing? And can I use this?
Hey guys, that doesn't look friendly.